All right, let's have a look at our workflow number 1, which is literally composing emails with an AI agent. So what I'm going to do here is, hey, can you please quickly draft an email to John Doe and mention that I'm stuck in the traffic? Can you please wait for me and don't start the meeting? I will be like 10 or 15 minutes late, and pass my apologies to the team. If I send this, it's going through this AI agent and it just created a draft email. Anytime I should see an email appearing in here. There we go, 2:52 p.m. and 2:52 p.m. It's the same email, running late for meeting. And as you can see, it says, "Hi, John Doe, I'm stuck in traffic. Can you please wait for me? Don't start the meeting. I'll be 10 to 15 minutes late. Please pass my apologies to the team. Sincerely, aemal@siren.com." So, with literally first few minutes of your actual hands-on, which you'll see after the next 2 demos, you will be actually building this. And that's where you'll realize the power of an A10. So let's go to the next demo.